Welcome back, everybody. We're up here in the Colorado Rocky Mountains. Got 3 of the kiddos with me today, the Adventure Ready van. Are you guys ready to make some Fluffer Nutters?
Yeah.
Fluffer Nutters. Let's give it a try. The wind's moving in. Of course, this would not be a Todd Toven video unless we had a huge storm moving in. So I'm gonna hand the camera over to Aaron, and we're gonna prep up our Fluffer Nutters. I'm gonna start out with Artisanal bread. I love this stuff, Sara Lee. This probably came out 3 years ago or so. I've actually never made a Fluffer Nutter. I'm gonna be honest with y'all today, but we're gonna use that. We're gonna use the white Sara Lee Artisanal bread. And check this out. Shout out to all my peeps out in Logan, Utah. Gosner's, baby. I picked this up before we left town with the van. This is sweet cream butter. My butter's cold. It's been in the cooler, but this will be fine. As soon as it hits the griddle top, there'll be plenty of butter on there. My favorite kind of peanut butter. We've been using this for 10 years plus. The Skippy Natural Super Chunk. Of course, some of the family likes creamy, but I'm not going to talk about that. I like the crunchy. So come on down here, Aaron. Again, the butter, yeah, a little bit frozen since it was in our cooler, but we are in the mountains, and I don't have a microwave. Here we go, the marshmallow cream. Haven't used that since I've been a kid. Oh boy. That lid is on there. Look at that. Does that look delicious, guys?
Yeah.
Now this is gonna be messy, everybody. It's gonna be messy. Here we go.
Looks like you're smelting.
Now the marshmallow cream, of course, is not frozen. That is beautiful looking. So gonna put a little bit of marshmallow cream on top of each piece of bread. All right, so that was extremely messy. You definitely don't want to be filming when you're making Fluffer Nutters, so a word of advice to you right there. Oh my goodness. The things I don't do to bring you guys a good video. All right, here we go. Bananas next. Check this knife out, by the way. I made this knife about, I don't know, 13 years ago or so. It's an elk antler knife. I used a frost blade. Look at that thing. Woo! Here we go. Peel the banana. Let's slice the banana up with my custom elk antler knife. Probably no rhyme or reason or method to how you want to put these on there, so we're just going to do it like this. Check it out. A couple bananas. I don't want to put too much, maybe like 4 little pieces in the middle of each sandwich. Okay, now I went with smaller slices. I'm learning as I go here again. First time I've ever made a Fluffer Nutter. Do you guys want to say Fluffer Nutter, or would you say Fluffer Nutter?
Fluffer Nutter.
Hey, I'm missing a piece of bread. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now to put the Fluffer Nutters together. Woo! Here we go. Like so, and like so. Did I put that one on upside? I put them on upside down. Oh my goodness. Oh, there we go. Today we're gonna use Blackstone's non-stick griddle spray. What's my griddle on right now? It's on low. I'm gonna turn it up to medium right now. Here we go with the griddle spray. You definitely don't want to be too hot when you're making these. All right, stay there, Natalie. And here we go. First Fluffer Nutter down. Natalie, are you eating the marshmallow cream?
No.
Say hi, everybody.
Hi.
Woo! Windy and cold. I'm telling you what, seems like every video we do, the rain moves in, the snow moves in, gets nasty. The Fluffer Nutters are here. Are you guys ready for this?
Yeah.
Grab one and let's give it a try. Come on, get in there. Fluffer Nutter, Fluffer Nutter. Let's give it a try.
That's good.
I gotta be honest with you, they're very messy, but I'm liking them a lot. That banana is the ticket. And s'mores, for me, s'mores are kind of one-dimensional. That banana, wow. What do you guys think? You like them? Fluffer Nutter, perfect summertime outdoor food, ma'am. Lots of fun, fun with the family. I'm telling you what, every video I film, if you don't live in the Rocky Mountains, you would never know what it's like. Hopefully you can see this amount of rain coming down. You know, everywhere you live, people always say, wait 5 minutes and the weather will change, but here in the Rocky Mountains, it's the real deal, baby. Thanks for watching. Man, this is messy. We got to clean up, and of course, we got a thunderstorm going on. But until next time, this is Todd and his family. Remember, these are called the Fluffer Nutter. We're saying praise the Lord and pass
The Fluffer Nutters.
the Fluffer Nutters.
Bye-bye.